Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my 1.25 inch buttons. First off, you're going to need is obviously the pin backs for 25 inch and the shells, and also the mylar. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a preview of my new Halloween buttons that's coming out soon, which I'll leave a link below, and all the other information. So yeah, first, let's zoom in. Now, this side, you put your shell. This side, you put your pin back. It's easy to remember which side how you put your pin back is this little U right here. You bring it downwards, or just a squiggly line going this way. So yeah, after you put that there, you take your design. This is one of my new designs coming out soon. These are my Halloween designs. So you put that there. Grab your mylar. Adjust it. Now, you want to turn it this way. Press down. Then turn it this way. And there you go. It looks awesome. See? Perfect. Just always remember, this U goes this way. So yeah, this is the finished product. If you want to buy my new series of the Halloween series, you can follow me on Instagram when they're going to be posted. And what is it? You can also check out my link below to my website. I also make commissions. I also do commissions. I also do people's custom buttons for artist alleys and whatever con you guys are going to. So yeah, let's do another one. Make sure your shells are not stuck together. That could jam your machine. Shell goes that way. Goes on the left side. And your pin back go with the U facing to the left. Goes face down. Go straight. And you guys want to see another my Halloween buttons? Take your picture. I know it's cut weird because I don't got the actual machine to cut them. I did invest on the ones in Joann's, but they still don't have the right size to cut down 1.25 inch buttons. I would love to buy it, but it's expensive and I don't really sell much of my pins. Hopefully I do for this this year for the Halloween sets I'm making. Okay, so then you put your mylar, you turn it in, turn it this way, and you have a finished pin. What do you guys think? But yeah, if you guys, so yeah, I take commissions. Just DM me your design, or just go on my website. You can email me your designs that you guys created yourself, or if you had someone draw it for you, and you do have permission to use it as you please, you could DM me those designs, and I'll make you guys some pins. So yeah, I'm gonna do a few more, and I hope you guys enjoy this time lapse. Okay guys, I'm done making all the buttons I was going to do for this video. Obviously I'm going to make more than this if I'm going to be selling them. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something on how to make your own 1.25 inch buttons. If you guys want to know what template I use, I'll leave that in the link below as well. So yeah, like I said, I would like to invest in buying the actual punch for this instead of pre-cutting each one of them by hand. But like I said, I need more sales. So hopefully showing this little video of what's coming soon to my online shop, you guys will maybe make a purchase and like what you see. This is the Halloween button set that's coming out soon. If I remember correctly, I made one more design or two more designs, but I'm not finished with them. So I just want to quickly show a little preview of what is coming to my online shop. They are going to be in button sets, and I sell my button sets really cheap, just for $5. So yeah, I have other buttons online if you want to check that out as well. And yeah, I also make holographic buttons. If you want to make yours holographic, they're 20 cents each. They're for example, if you're gonna buy a button, each of my buttons are $2. And if you want yours to be holographic, for example, if you're gonna buy one button, it's $2. Plus you want it holographic, it's 20 cents extra. So it'll be $2.20. So yeah, I think I have an example of my holographic buttons. Let me see. Okay, yeah, here it is. Yep. Super holographic. I'm obviously not done with these because my hands kind of cramped up since I hand cut them. So yeah, if you guys see any of these, or if you guys want to get a early release and would like to purchase one of these, please leave a comment or just go to my online shop and order from there. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys leave a nice like on this video and comment and subscribe. And thank you for your support. Bye guys.